Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best LED headlights that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're upgrading your vehicle's lighting or need reliable illumination for outdoor adventures, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the XWQHJW 9005 H11 light bulbs combo. This pack is specifically designed for GMC Sierra models from 2007 to 2013, making it an excellent fit for those looking for a compatible and straightforward upgrade. These bulbs boast a 6500K white light, delivering a brightness level that's 500% higher than standard halogen bulbs. With this upgrade, you'll get a clearer view of the road ahead, which is ideal for nighttime driving or challenging weather conditions. In terms of design and build quality, the XWQHJW bulbs feature an aviation-grade aluminum body coupled with a hollow carved heatsink design. These elements, along with the integrated turbo cooling fan, ensure excellent heat dissipation and a lifespan of over 50,000 hours. The bulbs are compact, with a plug-and-play setup that takes just 5 to 10 minutes to install, without any modifications needed. However, sensitive vehicles may require an additional decoder for compatibility, which is something to keep in mind. While the XWQHJW bulbs have impressive brightness, they are slightly less versatile than some of the other options on this list, as their compatibility is tailored to specific GMC Sierra models. On the bright side, their ease of installation and robust build make them a solid choice for anyone who owns a compatible vehicle. Overall, this is a reliable mid-range option for vehicle-specific LED lighting upgrades. At number 4, we have the Terminator H11 9005 LED bulbs combo. These bulbs are an impressive upgrade for drivers looking for high performance and efficient lighting. Featuring advanced Z10 technology and 12 chips per bulb, they deliver an astounding 60,000 lumens per set, 800% brighter than typical halogen bulbs. The 6500K white light mimics natural daylight, providing exceptional visibility for nighttime driving or poor weather conditions. The design is compact and thoughtful, closely matching the size of factory halogen bulbs. This all-in-one design eliminates the need for external driver boxes, simplifying installation. You'll also appreciate the premium materials used, including aviation-grade aluminum and a thermostatic copper plate. Coupled with a high-efficiency cooling fan, these bulbs maintain stable performance and have an impressive lifespan of up to 60,000 hours. The baked-in CAN bus system ensures compatibility with sensitive vehicles, although it might require a decoder for certain models. One standout feature is the optimal beam pattern, which replicates factory halogen bulbs without creating dark spots or glare for oncoming drivers. While the Terminator bulbs are slightly more expensive than budget options, their robust build quality and enhanced performance make them a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize safety and optimal visibility. Coming in at number 3 is the Mars Auto M1S light bulbs combo. For drivers seeking reliability and simplicity, this pack offers a stellar balance of brightness and user-friendly design. The Mars Auto bulbs feature 7035 LED chips that provide 800% brighter lighting output than traditional halogen bulbs. With a cool white 6000 Kelvin color temperature, you'll notice improved clarity and a wider range of visibility on the road, making it ideal for foggy or dark driving conditions. Installation is a breeze with the Mars Auto bulbs thanks to their one-to-one halogen design. You can replace your old bulbs in just 3 minutes. No modifications or complicated setups required. The durable aluminum body, dual copper pipes, and IP68 waterproof rating ensure these bulbs can withstand harsh weather while delivering consistent performance for over 60,000 hours of use. The built-in CAN bus system reduces errors, flickering, and interference issues, although some vehicles may require additional decoders for full compatibility. The Mars Auto bulbs are a fantastic all-around option for those who want high-quality lighting without breaking the bank. While they don't offer some of the advanced features seen in higher-priced models, their combination of affordability, performance, and ease of use makes them a great choice for everyday drivers. Claiming the number 2 spot is the LHKNL headlamp flashlight, our budget-friendly option that still packs a surprising punch. At just $19.99 for a set of 2, this headlamp is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable and versatile lighting for activities like camping, hiking, or fishing. With 8 lighting modes, including strong beams, weak beams, red light, and SOS red strobe, the LHKNL headlamp adapts to virtually any situation. The motion sensor mode is particularly convenient. Just wave your hand to turn the lamp on or off without fumbling with buttons. Weighing only 1.87 ounces, the LHKNL headlamp is ultra-light and comfortable to wear. The adjustable elastic headband ensures a secure fit for both kids and adults, while the 60-degree pivotable head allows you to direct the light precisely where you need it. The IPX4 waterproof rating and durable construction make this headlamp suitable for rain, snow, or rugged outdoor conditions. The built-in rechargeable battery lasts between 4 to 10 hours on a full charge, and the battery indicator helps you monitor usage. While the LHKNL headlamp isn't as bright or feature-rich as premium LED headlights, its affordability, portability, and versatility make it a standout option for casual outdoor use. It's an excellent choice for anyone on a budget who still wants reliable performance and ease of use. Finally, at number 1, we have the HW Star 2023 new 7-inch LED headlights. If you're looking for the ultimate upgrade in LED headlights, this premium option delivers unparalleled performance, durability, and design. With 10,000 lumens on high beam and 7,000 lumens on low beam, these headlights are 1,000% brighter than standard options, ensuring clear visibility in all conditions. What sets them apart is the perfect Z-shaped, anti-glare beam pattern which illuminates the road evenly without blinding oncoming drivers. Plus, the DOT SAE approval guarantees compliance with safety standards. Built to last, the HW Star headlights feature a heavy-duty design with an IP67 waterproof rating, impact resistance, and anti-yellowing properties. At 4.63 pounds per pair, these headlights feel sturdy and reliable. The modern, mecha-style aesthetic adds a unique touch to your vehicle's look, making them compatible with a wide range of models, including Jeep Wranglers, Chevys, Fords, and more. Installation is straightforward with a plug-and-play design, and the advanced anti-aging circuit ensures consistent brightness over years of use. Although the HW Star headlights are the most expensive on this list at $129.99, their superior performance, durability, and safety make them worth every penny. Ideal for off-roaders, frequent nighttime drivers, or anyone who demands the best in automotive lighting, the HW Star lights are the ultimate choice for quality and reliability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.